got my live animals, and I'm opening up the box with one hand. It's a little hard, but don't cut the plastic inside. Okay, these are live koi fish. And I'm going to put them, there's 14 of them. With 3 extras, it says. And I got those from Amazon. And I'm going to put them in the water and let them get accustomed to that temperature here. We're going to drop them in this pool right here. It's a little blue, but it'll work. Let them float a bit and get that temperature up. Then we'll come back out and let them go. Okay, we've been letting them float in there a little bit. Kind of get the water temperature to adjust. And we'll see what they do. This is the koi we bought off Amazon. Okay, I'm going to take them out of the box. Use my knife here and see if we can let them out of the plastic bag with it. See it? I got the camera set up there. Okay, it's a bag in a bag in a bag. We're going to pour them in. They disappeared quite quickly. Well, I don't see any of them coming to the top. That's our puppy dog pump and crab pump that's working out there. We showed in another episode building that. So I guess we'll let them adjust for a while.